Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in IQ Option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is head on over to the IQ Options website and sign up or sign in with your email password. So we need to go to iqoption.com. But do take note, IQ Option has regional restrictions and some features may not be available depending on your country. Now, once you're on the main page here, click on to sign up, sign in. It's a very basic sign in process or sign up process. Now, once we've done that, you can see here I'm signed into my account. Now, depending what you want to do, if you want to trade real money, we need to go ahead and click on deposit and just go through the deposit checklist. So if you just signed up, you might need to send in some ID verifications and all that stuff, and then once you've passed all that, you can go ahead and deposit money. Now once you've done that, we want to go ahead and click on to trade now. So as you can see here, deposit, so we need to verify our account first. So just go through the steps. It's very basic to do that. Just make sure you got ID ready to, if you might need to upload your passport or driver's license, etc. Now from here, go ahead and click on trade now, and that's going to take us here into the trade room. Now, before we trade, we need to work out what you want to trade. So at the top of the trading screen, we want to go ahead and click on the asset name. So I'm going to click onto the asset name. So it can be USD, crude oil, etc. Or we can go ahead and open a new watch list. We've got FX options we can trade. We've got Forex, we've got stocks, crypto, commodities, ETFs. So yeah, choose what you want to trade. So if I want to do some crypto, I'm going to click crypto. If I want to trade, for example, Ethereum, I'm going to click Ethereum. So now I'm inside the Ethereum charts at the moment. Now I'm on a demo account here, so this is just a practice. So I've got $10,000 of practice money to play with. Now if I want to go ahead and buy, I can go ahead and click on to buy. And if I want to sell, I can go ahead and sell as well. Now, before we do that, we can choose how much we'd like to invest. So it's just at $1. So if I want to go ahead and invest $1,000 with leverage times 2, or we can change this to times 5, hopefully. Yep, we can. And then we've got a trailing, we've got to take profit here. So when profit is set, so I might do this at say 1%. And we've got a stop loss when loss is say at 1%. So I'm going to go use balance to keep position open, but I'm just going to do when it's -50, or we can do loss percentage, loss in money, or asset price. So I might do loss in money, and I'm going to do say $100 here. And then when profit is, I can do percent profit in money or asset. So if I'm up say 250, I can go ahead and set that and hit enter. So make sure you hit enter. So when loss is at, so loss in money, I'm going to do 100 and then hit enter again. So we can see here, take profit of 250, that's percent. I didn't want percent, so I'm profit in money. So take, what did I say? I think I said 250. And this is in money, so I'm going to hit enter. So yeah, so once it gets 250 in profit, it's going to take profit or stop loss at 100. Now we can go ahead and click on to buy. So you can see here, Ethereum, investing 1,001, open, current price, take profit, multiple, etc. And then to the right of it, it's got your net profit and loss. So at the moment, I'm down $2.33. Now, if you want to close your positions, you can by clicking on close.